एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरुष निर्भव निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभव गुर प्रसाद. There is one Om God who is the union of form and formless. His name is ever present. He is the creator, fearless, free from any enmity, beyond time, present in all time periods, beyond birth, beyond any species, Swambhu, self born. He is attained by Guru's prasad, by following Guru's teachings. Jap, chant and meditate. Aad Sach, Jugad Sach. He is true and ever existing from the beginning of the time. He is true and ever existing from the beginning of the ages. है भी सच, Nanak होसी भी सच. He is true and ever existing even today. And Nanak says he will be true and always existing even in the future. सोचे सोच न होवई, जे सोची लखवार. Cleanliness of the mind cannot be achieved by cleaning only from the outside, even if you clean a million times. चुप्पे चुप न हो गई जे लाई रहा लिवतार. By remaining silent from outside, inner silence of the mind from wandering in attachments cannot be achieved, even if you continuously maintain outer silence. भुखिया भुख न उतरई जे बन्ना पुरिया भार. The hunger of desire and craving of the hungry person is not satisfied even by piling up loads of worldly possessions. सहस सियाणेपा लख होए त इक न चले नाल. One may try hundreds of clever tricks, maybe even thousands, to collect these loads of materials, but not even a single of them will go along with you in the end and will not be useful to you after your death. किव सचियारा होई ये, किव कूड़े तुट्टे पाल. How to become truthful, prayerful, and worthy of meeting the God, and how to break the wall of falsehood and love for this illusionary world. हुक्म रजाई चलना, नानक लिखिया नाल. To follow his commandments, whose will always prevails, Nanak says, is the only way to merge in him, and this is so since the beginning of the life. Gist of verse 1. By outer cleanliness and outer silence, the hunger for desire cannot be eliminated. The only way to come close to God and be free from worldly pain is that one should always follow the will of the God, whose will always prevails.